Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty is not just skin deep, it's about making informed choices. If you've been searching for a men's electric shaver that promises a close, smooth shave without the irritation, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the Braun Electric Shaver for Men, Series 7 7127CS. This model offers multiple shaving modes, a flexible head, and the durability that Braun is known for. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Braun Series 7 7127CS is a waterproof foil shaver designed for both wet and dry use. Featuring the brand's innovative 360-degree flex head, this shaver promises to adapt to your face's contours for an ultra-close shave, even in tricky spots. It comes with 7 flexible blades that ensure maximum skin contact while also protecting the skin from irritation. What makes this model stand out is the ability to choose between 3 shave modes: Turbo for an ultra-fast shave, Gentle for those with sensitive skin, and Standard for a balanced shave that's great for everyday use. You can also trust that this shaver is built to last, with a long-lasting Li-ion battery and a design that's engineered in Germany. Let's talk about real-world usage. As I don't use this type of product myself, my husband was the one testing it out for me. First off, he found the Braun Series 7 incredibly easy to incorporate into his grooming routine. He used it both in the shower, wet use, and during his regular dry shave sessions, and the flexibility of the head really did seem to make a difference in terms of comfort and effectiveness. He mentioned how smooth the shave felt, especially with the gentle mode, which he prefers for avoiding any irritation or discomfort. The turbo mode was a bit of a surprise, cutting down the time he usually spends on his shave, but he did note that it felt a little more aggressive on sensitive areas of his face. In terms of performance, the shaver lived up to expectations. The 360-degree flex head really does glide across the face, reaching those tricky angles along the jawline and under the chin with ease. The waterproof design is a big win for him, as it means he can easily rinse it underwater without worrying about damaging it. As for the beard trimmer attachment, he said it was a nice bonus for quick touch-ups around the neck and sideburns. It isn't quite as precise as a dedicated trimmer, but it's definitely handy in a pinch. Of course, no product is perfect. One downside my husband pointed out is that it can take a little longer to shave using the gentle mode, especially if you're in a rush. On the other hand, turbo mode was impressively fast, but could be a bit too harsh if you're someone with more sensitive skin or are prone to razor burn. Now, let's discuss whether this shaver is worth its price tag. At its current price point, it's definitely on the higher end, but the quality of the build and the performance across different shaving modes might justify the cost for many. The long-lasting battery life is another plus, especially considering the improved 18% longer runtime in gentle mode. If you're someone who uses a shaver regularly and values convenience, the Braun Series 7 does offer good value for the price. If you're in the market for alternatives, there are definitely more affordable options out there that might suit a tighter budget, but they may not offer the same level of customization or shaving comfort. For example, the Philips Norelco 5000 series offers solid performance at a lower price, though it lacks the advanced features that make the Braun a standout in terms of adaptability and flexibility. When it comes to durability, the build quality is solid, as expected from Braun. The shaver feels robust in hand, and the design is sleek and modern. The waterproof feature is crucial for anyone who likes the flexibility of shaving in the shower, and the Li-ion battery's longevity ensures you won't be constantly recharging it. We didn't have to reach out to Braun's customer service for this review, but based on their reputation, it's safe to say that they are responsive to inquiries and offer good support for any issues you might encounter with their products. To wrap up, the Braun Series 7 7127CS is a solid choice for those looking for a high-quality electric shaver. It delivers an exceptional shave with customizable modes that can cater to both sensitive and regular skin types. While it might not be the most affordable option on the market, its performance and durability make it a worthwhile investment for those who shave regularly. If you're someone who values a close, fast, and customizable shave, this product is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you make a decision, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that more beauty lovers can find this video. Your support allows us to keep making honest reviews like this one. Thank you for watching. If you've used the Braun Series 7, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.